they want the answer in standard form. Now, if we check, both numbers are in standard form. So the only problem is that the powers of 10 are different. So to answer this, the powers must be the power of 10 must be the same. So there are two things we have to consider. One is select the largest power. That means that n should be equals to 8. You can check the previous video to see how we came up with that. Now, then the next thing is, how do we change the power? So the question is, how do we change the power? So we had said that if we move the decimal place to the left, the power becomes more positive. If we move it to the right, the power becomes less positive. In other words, the power increases when we move the decimal place to the left. So we are going to move decimal to the left will increase n. If we wanted to decrease n, then we just do the opposite and move the decimal place to the right. So this is what we are going to do. So we're going to take 3.7 times 10 to the power of 7. So we move the decimal place to the right, 1. So we look at how many times we've moved it. So it's 1. So then it becomes 0.37 times 10. We increase that by 1. So that will give us 0.37 times 10 power 8. Now we can use this to answer our question. So we now go back, 3.7 times 10 power 8 plus 0.37 times 10 to the power of 8. Now, because the powers are the same, we can just add the two numbers. So 3.7 plus 0.37 and then times 10 power 8. So 3.7 plus 0.37 will give us 4.07. So this is 4.07 times 10 to the power of 8. So our answer is 4.07 times 10 to the power of 8 to 3 significant figures.